backwards on his back, which was really impressive. I didn't think you were that flexible.
Did I lose the reballs good today or what?
Yeah.
Look at this. There, just film this, dude.
This is Clint's amazing lube job on the ball. That lube on them balls.
Oh, now it's getting all...
The hopper wasn't even on, was it?
There it is. Now that's how you lube them.
Dude, this guy knows how to lube his balls.
Shit.
He's been lubing balls before we were like.
Socks on, guys.
Throw socks on.
No one have any paint left? Nah.
He just shot half off.
I had some.
He was demonstrating how well he lubed the balls.
Why? Because you can shoot ropes today.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the balls were nice.
I thought it was like my new gun.
They
I
weren't
was like,
blind.
oh, this is so much better than the inside.
I think they were. And I think you put them in hoops.
Is that good?